Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. This channel is all about healthy lifestyle, living healthy, eating healthy, and yeah, having fun doing it. So today I'm going to be sharing one of my recipes with you guys, so I hope you guys like it and support my work. Please subscribe and yeah, let's get going. So let's go to the kitchen and see what we're going to be having today for our healthy lifestyle. So see ya.